Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum guys. I am Sarwat Rani Khan. Says welcome in K.Z Kitchen. How are you guys? I hope all of you are well. Today I am going to share a very fabulous recipe with you, which is apple caramel flat cake, which is very easy, simple, quick and too much delicious. And the ingredients which I am going to add in this recipe are easily available in every home. Okay, for this recipe I am taking apple, fresh apple here, and we have to remove the center part of this apple because that is not edible, and we will cut its very thin slices. Okay, you can cut it in half and then make their slices, or you can make as it is, but I will cut it in half because I don't need its full slices. Like this, I will show you how much thin. Yay. Okay, like this we have to make all of the slices. Okay, and we will remove the center part. Okay, I'm using chopping knife and chopping board. If you don't have, so you can use your regular knife or any saucer or plate. Okay, I have got a required amount of apple, and this half apple I will use for my second flat cake. Such as if I will cut it before the time, so that would be darker in color and that won't be able to use. Okay, here I have taken a heavy bottom pan. I added 2 tablespoon butter and I have added 1 tablespoon granulated sugar in it. Now I'm getting it caramelized. Okay, because our recipe is apple caramel flat cake, so we have to first caramelize the sugar like this. I placed my half apple turnout in the pan, or you can say in a ball, if you like. So you can squeeze some lemon, or you can sprinkle some sugar on the top of its remaining part. Like this, that won't be rotten or darker in color. Okay, now I am placing some 4 seeds, charu maghaz, and also some walnuts, and I am breaking their pieces in small size. Okay, now it's looking very good. Now I am placing the slices of apple which I cut very thin. Okay, I am layering one time if you like, or if you like to eat more apples in your apple caramel flat cake, so you can layer it 2 times. Okay, I will give it a shape as my pan's bottom, that is round in shape, so I will make its round shape. You can give a shape according to your pan bottom. Okay, at this time the flame was off. I turned off the flame And now I have started, and I will sprinkle some cinnamon powder on the top of my apple slices. That will increase the taste of our flat cake. Okay, for our flat cake, let's break one egg on room temperature. Also, I will add some uh, or 1 or 2 pinches salt and icing sugar. I'm using maximum 2 tablespoons here. You can use according to your taste. And also I have added 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and 1 teaspoon vinegar, white vinegar. And here I am using cooking oil, 1/4 cup, and this is our 1 cup milk, which I will use gradually when I will add my all-purpose flour. Okay, now I'm mixing it. We don't have to whisk it too much. And here I am taking 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Okay, this one I have used. Okay, let's sift all the ingredients. Okay, now I will throw out this remaining garbage. Mix your mixture very well so we can find our flat cakes better. Now I am adding my remaining portion of milk. I have told you that I will use it gradually when I will add my all-purpose flours mixture, because that's a time. At this time we find little bit thickness in our batter, so that's why we remain or we add our milk at this time. Okay, now that was ready. Here I have turned on the flame and I will heat it little bit, and now I will pour my flat cakes batter on the top of my base, which I made with butter, sugar, and then apples, seeds, and walnuts. I am adding my uh, apple caramel flat cakes batter on the top, and I am getting manage it. I will even all the sides so we can find a um even flat cake, which is our apple caramel flat cake. Okay. Okay, I will cover it for 15 to 16 minutes, and we will cook it, or you can say we will bake it. Now I'm showing you the heat like this. Just this type of heat we have to bake or cook our flat cake, because we are required a flat cake. We don't have to need its top risen. Let's check it with a skewer. I'm gonna prick it in the center of this flat cake. Let's see. Oh, really? Now it's ready. It's not massive, so it's mean that it's ready. Let's shake it and let's flip it. Mashallah, it's easily flipped. Okay, you can see the top. Now I will place it again from its bottom, so its bottom could also cook. and I will leave it, or you can say I will cook it from bottom about 10 minutes or according to its requirement. Okay, let's see. Mashallah, our apple caramel flat cake is totally ready now. And you can check the beauty of this cake, and you can see the perfection of its flatness. Mashallah. My both of two flat cakes are ready. Okay, let's cut it. And guys, if you haven't like, share, and subscribe to my channel, kindly go immediately and like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and watch my videos complete, and keep liking and keep supporting to my channel. I will be very thankful to all of you, all of my YT family, and all of my viewers which watch my videos, who watch my videos from everywhere. Okay, guys, you can see my flat cake, apple caramel flat cake, how much soft and how much healthy and beautiful it is. Okay, it's too much tasty also. Okay, your children also like this flat cake because it has some nuts and apple and cocoa powder. Because our children like the brownish color in cakes, cupcakes, or brownies. Okay, guys, you can see I have top up with some fresh cream and some fresh butter. I hope you liked my video so much. I will come with another recipe, delicious recipe. Till then, I will say Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourselves. Kindly pray for Turkey, Syria, and all Muslim countries.